to heaven. My daddy lived his life with 3 girls and a wife, and he said what we should do. And he taught me what it takes to get me through. You gotta put your hand in the hand of the man who steals the water.